Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Use 3 ripe bananas, mashed until smooth. Start by measuring all ingredients and laying them out on the counter so nothing is missed. Measure 1/2 cup cocoa powder and 1 cup chocolate chips, keeping 1/4 cup aside for the top. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan with butter or nonstick spray, then line with parchment for easy removal. Have 1 mixing bowl, a rubber spatula, and a loaf pan ready to streamline the process and avoid overmixing later. Combine 1/2 cup melted butter with 3/4 cup sugar and 2 large eggs, whisking until smooth and slightly ribbon-like. Add the mashed bananas and 1 teaspoon vanilla, then stir gently to combine. Fold in 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoons salt using a spatula. Stop as soon as no streaks of flour remain to keep the bread tender. Stir in 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips and reserve 1/4 cup for topping. Then pour batter into the prepared. Bake at 350 degrees F for 55 to 65 minutes until a toothpick comes out mostly clean with a few moist crumbs attached. Rotate the pan at 30 minutes for even browning. If the top browns too quickly, tent with foil after 35 minutes. Cool in pan 15 minutes, then transfer to a rack and cool completely to set the crumb and prevent sogginess. Slice into 12 pieces and serve warm or at room temperature. Store leftovers wrapped at room temp 2 days or refrigerate up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.